Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss forfeiting. What is forfeiting? Friends, forfeiting is a method to finance export of capital goods. In case of capital goods, the repayment is on medium-term basis or on long-term basis. There can be various methods to finance export of capital goods, and forfeiting is one of those methods. Let us see this graph. In forfeiting, there are four parties: exporter, forfeiter, importer, and importer's bank. There is a contract between exporter and importer for supply of capital goods. Before these goods are supplied, there is a contract between exporter and forfeiter to finance this export on medium or on long-term basis. So exporter and forfeiter, they enter into an agreement to provide finance to importer against supply of capital goods. Once this arrangement is finalized and this contract between exporter and importer is finalized, the exporter makes shipment of goods to the importer, and importer provides guarantee from his bank in favor of exporter to secure the payment. Once these documents are received, this guarantee is received through importer by exporter, then he presents the documents to forfeiter. Against these documents, forfeiter makes payment to exporter, and around due date, these documents are presented by forfeiter to the bank of importer. Importer bank recovers the payment from importer and then makes payment to forfeiter. In this process, exporter gets funding of export of capital goods. Importer gets capital goods on long-term credit basis. Forfeiter gets forfeiting charges, and importer's bank also gets its commission. Friends, forfeiting is similar to factoring. In case of factoring, short-term receivables are involved, but in case of forfeiting, long-term or medium-term receivables are involved. Friends, I'm sure this video will benefit you, and thank you for watching the video.